Yeah, so this is for AutoFit. So imagine we have to type a lot of things like communication, and we have to start, making it fit. Imagine we have to start something like marginalization, and still we have to still come over here to fit it to the column. So what do we need to do to make this work better? You can actually go here on the sheet and click on view source code, and under here you change it from you put it on the worksheet. Let's type something here, cells dot entire column, dot entire column dot AutoFit. Yes, AutoFit. Yes. So what do we do next? Let's close this. By closing this, we'll go back and let's try something. Industrialization. Okay, you can see that this has AutoFit itself very well. Now let's see something again like management, and just click. You can see that this has also AutoFit itself properly. So this is how to AutoFit properly when you're working in Excel.